Hi everyone, welcome to the Dashboard Roadmap, a series where we explore some of the City Health Dashboard's best features. I'm Sammy Breslin, and today I'm going to walk you through comparing metrics on the dashboard. This feature explores the relationship between two different measures in a city and any geographic patterns that may exist. I'm curious to see how housing and health insurance access relate to each other. Let's start by heading to Laredo, Texas, and looking at the dashboard's rent burden and uninsurance metrics. The Compare Metrics feature is accessible from every city's navigation bar. You can select your comparison metric here, as well as the years of data you want to compare. Metric comparison maps show the values for both measures on the same map. In this case, the blue polygons represent rent burden, and the red dots indicate uninsured values. In both cases, lighter colors mean better outcomes. On the city's south side, where there is higher rent burden, there tends to be more individuals who also lack health insurance. Another way to compare metrics is through the scatter plot, which graphs our original metric, rent burden, against our comparator, uninsurance. Each one of these dots represents a census tract value, and you can click into each tract for more information. It is important to always remember that correlation does not equal causation. And that's it for this episode of the Dashboard Roadmap on how to compare metrics. Thanks for tuning in. Don't hesitate to reach out with questions, comments, and ideas for future episodes by emailing info@cityhealthdashboard.com. See you on the site!